And with the privatization of the public enterprises of some key sectors of the economy fully concluded, it will surely open up large windows of investment opportunities for foreign investors to do business in Nigeria. Among the sectors considered priority areas of investment, that will give positive linkages effect on other sectors and potential catalytic role, and which are most favored in the administration of Nigeria, among others include agriculture, which I think has been discussed, and presently we have competitive advantage in producing, world competitive advantage in producing some of these crops, like sesame seeds, cassava, for example, and gum arabic. And I'm sure we have good competitive advantage that people would like to take advantage of. In areas of manufacturing, there is massive demand, like I said, and there is very little manufacturing going on with the cheap labor and the tax relief and so many incentives given to industries. I'm sure as a sector we can really go into. I'm sure we had a little this morning from Henneken and how they took advantage of the possibilities in Nigeria and what they achieved so far. There is huge potential in solid minerals. I don't have to mention more. I think in the technical discussion we'll come on specific. But largely, there is a huge deposit of coal that I think is needed for power in the Netherlands. The oil and gas, which has been already been exploited by companies like Shell and others, is a very big potential for development that we will need to partner or have investment directly there. Tourism and hospitality is a key developing program in Nigeria, and that there is huge potential in its development. The financial and insurance subsector, which has been discussed a little bit today, but I think on the technical discussion will come up with details, potentials. The renewable energy has been discussed already, and I think we have experts here who will want to discuss on one-to-one and B2B basis. Livestock, like I said, and there is huge infrastructural development for build, operate, and transfer. And I'm sure there are very few construction companies from the Netherlands in Nigeria, but there are huge from Germany and now from China. So I think there is need for the Dutch Chamber of Commerce to sensitize its members into taking part in this very huge development. The transport subsector, which I incidentally belong, has very huge potential. We are currently doing the Sea-Link project with some key businessmen and some investors from the West African sub-region to link up the West African sub-region with the sea links, so that goods and people can be moved easily and nicely. And by the calculation, there is huge amount of profit to be made in that. The rail system is another opportunity for investment, and I am sure the chamber is already talking to some companies that will invest. So anybody interested in the Sea-Link or the transport, we are open for discussion. The telecommunication, electricity has been discussed already, and I'm sure there is a lot of incentives given by the Nigerian government, which I'm sure will be discussed at the technical session by the Nigerian Investment Promotion Council. There are huge opportunities. So Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I strongly believe that this business and investment forum will greatly enhance the trade flows positions, thereby eliminating all major hindrances to trade and investment between Nigeria and the Netherlands in no distant time to come. I assure you all that our association, the Chamber of Commerce, being the voice of business in Nigeria, through its participation in this forum, will continue to build on the mutual cooperation and relationship established in such a way as to further boost Nigerian business and investment activities between Nigeria and the Netherlands. And I'm sure the Nigerian Netherlands Chamber of Commerce, we are in discussion with them, and they will soon be members of our team, and that will help boost the economic activities and the cooperation between Nigeria and the Netherlands. Thank you very much.
Thank you. This is the chairman of the Nigerian Manufacturers
Your Excellencies,
Association.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite you back to the main hall, where we will receive some presentations and have the